In this video, I will be showing you exactly how to use the self-service train ticket machines in Switzerland. These machines are located at all train stations. They operate 24 hours a day and accept both cash and credit cards. It is very easy to use the ticket machine. This is how you buy a ticket from the self-service ticket machine. So first you touch the screen and then you choose the language and you choose the station you want to go. For us, we'll select immediate departure via a direct route, one way. We're buying second class. If you are buying a single ticket, these are the options, and if you are buying more than one ticket, you can choose this option. And we have a half fare card, so we'll be buying two. So you can have a receipt if you want. This is how you do it.